Hi everyone, this is Dr. PJ. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Sculptra, a treatment many people choose when they want to restore volume without using fillers. You might be wondering, when do the results actually start to show? Are there any side effects you should know about? I'll walk you through everything step by step, so let's get started. Sculptra is a treatment that adds volume to hollow areas of the face, similar to fillers or fat grafting. But here's the key difference. Sculptra is what we call a collagen stimulator. It uses an ingredient called PLLA to help your own body gradually produce collagen. With fillers, you get instant volume, which can be great. But if too much is used, the face can sometimes look a bit unnatural or puffy. Sculptra, on the other hand, works by building your own collagen over time, so the result will look much more natural. That's why it's especially beneficial for people with significant cheek hollowing or volume loss who need a larger amount of correction. And one of the biggest advantages is safety. Unlike fillers, Sculptra doesn't carry risk like vascular complications, including tissue necrosis or even vision loss, which many patients worry about. Both treatments work by stimulating collagen, but the difference lies in the particle structure. Sculptra has a rougher, more textured particle surface, which allows it to stimulate more collagen production. In my experience, compared to Juvelook, Sculptra tends to create volume more effectively. Because of that, I often see higher patient satisfaction when the main goal is visible volume restoration, especially in areas like the cheeks. This is something you really need to remember. Sculptra doesn't put collagen directly into your face. Instead, it injects the materials that help your body produce collagen. Because of that, your body needs time to actually make that collagen. So yes, Sculptra does require a bit of patience. Typically, treatments are done about 1 month apart, and it usually takes around 3 to 6 months to see the full result. Some people get just one session and think, oh, this isn't working. But if your face has an overall volume loss, one session is simply not enough. In most cases, you will need at least 3 sessions to build enough volume. Once the volume is established, the results can last for about 2 years. And even after 2 years, the volume doesn't suddenly disappear. It slowly starts to decrease, and that's the perfect time to come in for a touch-up to maintain the result. There's some discomfort, to be honest, when the product is injected under the skin and the tissue is gently separated. Some patients even hear a slight crunching or a crackling sound. That said, we always use local anesthesia, so as long as you can get through the actual treatment time, about 10 minutes, it's usually very manageable. The biggest concern most people have is nodule formation or small lumps under the skin. In the past, this could happen when Sculptra was mixed too thick. But these days, we dilute it sufficiently, so the risk is extremely low, about 4 cases out of 1,000 patients. So overall, there's really no need to worry too much. Still, if nodules are something you're concerned about, I strongly recommend choosing a clinic with an experienced doctor who knows how to prevent them properly, just like me. There are 3 key factors. First, proper hydration. The powder needs to be fully and evenly dissolved in water until the mixture is smooth and uniform. Second, choosing the right areas. Areas like the forehead, glabella, nose bridge, under the eyes, philtrum, and the lips. The so-called T-zones are places where nodules are more noticeably and harder to treat, so it's better to avoid them for peace of mind. Third, an experienced injector like myself. Even distribution is crucial. The technique matters a lot to make sure the product doesn't clump in one spot. And even in the rare case that a nodule does form, it can't usually be treated at the clinic, often with saline injection to break it down. So again, there's no need to panic. Sculptra does require a bit of patience, but as time goes by and you start to feel that natural building firmness, you will understand why so many people choose this treatment. If today's video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. This was Dr. PJ. Thank you so much for watching.